Hello, good evening, good morning, and good afternoon, depending on the location and the time at which you are watching this video. You are most welcome to Danicom platform, the channel where we take our time and walk you through all the basic things that you need to know when it comes to technology. Today, we are going to walk you through another episode that we have termed protecting your digital life. Protecting your digital life. As you know, everything that we do on the internet with the use of our mobile phones, laptop, tablet, and other things, it is being recorded on the internet, of which it is very difficult to have a trace to whatever information that you are keying in whenever you go to the internet. And so it is very, very important that everything you do on the internet, you be very careful or be cautious about anything that you provide whenever a site or a social media requests of it that you should provide. And so quickly, as we have been doing, this channel is all about helping you stay safe when you are on the internet, when you are using your iPhone, when you are using your mobile phone like Android, the Google Pixels, the laptops, whatever device that you have. We help you stay safe anytime, anywhere when you are on the internet, be it the social media platform, the Facebook, the WhatsApp, the TikTok, which is taking over these days. And so tonight or this morning or this afternoon, depending on the time, as I keep saying, if you have joined me for the first time, please subscribe to this channel. If you are also a follower of this channel, please click on the share button to share this video to educate somebody. This video or this episode is about protecting your digital life, and under protecting your digital life, we are taking a particular topic or subtopic. We call it regularly review and update your privacy settings on your mobile devices or even your laptops or your computers. So we say regularly, make it an effort, regularly, continuously, consciously. Make sure you visit your mobile device, your laptop, your desktop, and update your privacy settings. And so in this video, I will take my time and walk you through some things that you need to know for the first time if you have not done it before, what you are supposed to do, so that at the end of the day, you will be able to protect the privacy of your mobile device by safeguarding your own data or by making sure your data does not fall into the hands of the wrong person. Data is very, very, very important, and you cannot afford to lose data into the hands of the wrong man. People are always on the internet, people are always on social media looking for people's data so that they can use that data to fraud them or to do cyber crime against them. And so you cannot afford to lose data into the hands of the wrong person. You understand? And so in this episode, we are going to teach you how to regularly update the privacy settings of your mobile phone. And so quickly, I will ask the question that why do you look at it in this video? the intention of granting it a certain permission, you will be able to know and take it off. There are some applications when you install on your mobile device, by default it uses your camera, by default it uses your location, by default it uses your Wi-Fi, by default it uses other things on your mobile device of which you don't intend to. So what you are going to do is that you review the privacy settings of your device so that you can turn certain things off and also revoke certain privacy that you have given to certain applications or certain services. Alright, and so quickly let's go over to the mobile phone. Okay, so what we are going to do right now is that we are going to go straight to our mobile phone, and when we go to our mobile phone, we are going to check the privacy settings that our mobile phone has at the moment. Okay, there are some of them I will take my time and explain to you. There are some based on your user preference. You decide to either take it off, or based on your own convention, you can decide to leave it on or off. And so if you want to first of all have access to the privacy settings of your mobile phone, and you don't have any idea about where to go, the first thing is you scroll through the apps of your phone. When you get to settings icon, click on the settings. When you click on the settings, you can see we have a lot of icons there, or we have a lot of information there. So what you are going to look for is you look for security or privacy depending on the phone you are using. So some of them you find it under privacy. Okay, so you click on the privacy, and when you click on privacy, as you can see, we have permission manager, we have the Samsung, a lot of informations are there, right? And so now what we are going to do is to click on the permission manager. The permission manager is simply a place where all the permissions you have granted to when I open, you can see from top here we have allowed, and we also have not allowed. And so these are the first 6 that I've allowed that it is. These are the first 6 that I have allowed that it should use my calendar. The first one is calendar itself. This is from Google. And this is the calendar of the mobile phone. This is Gmail. This is Google, and this is Google Calendar Sync, and this is phone. By default, I have allowed these 6 to be using my calendar. These other applications also want to use my calendar, but I said no. Example: Cloud, Contacts, Facebook, LinkedIn, Messenger, a lot of them, Zoom, Outlook, and so on and so forth. And so depending on your phone, it may even be possible that even Facebook, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and other things are using your calendar without you notice. So please review the privacy. What will WhatsApp or Facebook be doing with your calendar? Look at it, review it, either allow or disallow. Now if you go back, you can also see we have call logs, we have camera, we have contacts, we have location, and a lot. So now if you look at camera, I have 21 applications out of 47 that is using my camera. What are those applications? You click on it. When you click on it to open, you go through and see whether it is good you allow them or not. So at this point, we have allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. And so if you can see, all these apps are using my camera. All these apps are using my camera. So you can review it. Do you really need Chrome to use your camera? At what point in time do you need it? Do you need Facebook? Do you need WhatsApp? Do you need IV? All these applications are using my camera. Do I really need them? For instance, if I say I don't want, let's say, Messenger to use my camera, I will click on it and say don't allow. At this point, Messenger won't have access to my camera or won't be able to use my camera. Really have an idea about all the applications and the services or the permissions you have granted them on your mobile device. Thank you very much for watching this short video. Please, if you are new here, subscribe, share the video to also educate somebody, and then let's all stay safe when we are on the internet. Have a nice day.